Hi, my name is Naya. I am here to show you how to use the button maker. Now, what I have here right now is all the materials I will use. This is for a 2¼ inch photo button. So the first thing to get started is you want to be able to print out your buttons. Now, or your sheet that you're going to make for your buttons. I put this on photo paper, and I will leave the link to the description of the photo paper I use. It's a Canon and it works really good. It's very glossy. So what I also did was I created a cut file, an Illustrator cut file, SVG, or you can use the JPEG that just shows the ring, and then you can just insert your picture inside of the ring and then print it. So that's the first thing that I need to do. Now, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to use this 2¼ inch punch. It's a photo punch because it's a little bit larger than a regular 2¼ but I will use the punch. Then I have my organza bag where when I'm finished making my button, I can put it in here and it's really cute. So when you're done, your client who receives it can say, oh, this is cute, and they'll get a cute little bag. And I have a glove because when I'm handling the Mylar topping to this, I don't want to get my fingerprints all over it. And then, of course, the button maker. The button maker that I have is from either the Button Boy or American Button machines because it's all metal, it's kind of heavy, and it's good quality, and it works. And then I have this cute little set of drawers I made to go with that I use to kind of organize my buttons. So the top part is like the Mylar sheets that goes on the top of the buttons. And these are some that I've already punched out. And then here is the shell pieces. So one of them is for just the bottom, the back of it. And then the other one is the one that the button photo picture will go on top of. So when I started making buttons, I've always wanted to just make them with a purpose, and this is my opportunity to do that. So one of the buttons that I made is mind your space, give me 6 feet, social distance. I thought this was really cute, and it's one of my best sellers. So after, like I said, I print this out on a sheet. I can get 12 buttons out of this, so it's really cool. I take my 2¼ and I just start punching it out. So the ring is just almost exact, just a little bit over. So I just take that, align it with the side, center it, and then I will punch, and then it comes out. So after I do my punch, I put that to the side and I get my button maker. So with the button maker, you have this mechanism. You have where it circles, you put one part of your button over here. This is where you're going to build the layers of the button. So with this side, I am going to take, it's more like the shell of it. And you want to make sure there's just one, because it will get stuck if you have more than one. So you just put one. And what I want to do is I want to face my design towards the lever. So you first have that shell, your design. Like I said, let me go ahead and put my glove on now. I could just do one glove so one will touch it. That way I don't have to worry about having to wipe off any type of residue or fingerprints. So I have it facing towards the lever. And then I want to make sure I have one sheet of Mylar in here. So this is the Mylar. There's one in there. And then I put that on top. Now, I'm comfortable with it not moving, but if you are cutting out your ring or you don't have a punch, you might want to dab a little bit of either double-sided tape or glue sticks so it doesn't move, because now it's time to rotate it. So I'm going to rotate, then I'm going to take my lever And then I am going to push it down. So I'm going to show you. It's gone. It is in this upper mechanism over here, and it's holding it, waiting for the back side of that button to be pressed down. So now I'm moving it around. You don't see it anymore. It's up here. So now I need to take my back side right here. So this is the part that goes on your clothing or textiles, whatever you're going to attach it to. So I want to make sure that I, again, this backing is facing towards the lever. And so now that I place it and I face it towards the lever, it's this one, and it fits right in there. Then I'm going to rotate it, and I will press it down. And it's complete. I now have a completed, that was nicely made button, and it fits perfect. There we go. And now all I have to do to complete it is to put it in my nice little organza bag, and then it's done. Thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.